Hello everybody, welcome to Blue Hand Review, and today we're going to review a helicopter, radio controlled 2.4 gigahertz, and I like this little thing. This thing's a lot of fun. It's easy to control, it works really well right out of the box. So you have the helicopter itself. And it's really basically a drone with a helicopter body. Here's the remote. Pretty similar for this company, Syma. The one I have is a drone. You might want to look in on that video. It has a phone app that goes with it because it has a camera on it. This here helicopter does not have a camera on it. But it's a lot of fun to play with and fly around. It works really good right out of the box. There's not a lot of learning curve to it like the drone, but yeah, I think the younger people could enjoy that more than the drone because it's quite difficult to master. And it does come with a little helipad and a case to put it in, and yes, it will fit in there. And it has some tent stakes to hold it down. And some little decals, reflective, if you choose to use them. So I'm going to give you some footage of it outdoors, and I hope you enjoy it. And I do recommend this product. It's a lot of fun. I've been having a good time with it. I give it 2 blue thumbs up. It runs about $69, I believe. But I think it's worth it. It's durable, and it's a lot of fun, it really is. Today, $70 is not a lot for a really nice toy. I'd say, 10 and up, something like that, and you ought to be just fine. So, thanks for looking in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Share my channel out with everybody that you know, and help us grow. And that way we can bring more products to you. So enjoy the footage, folks. Yeah, sometimes the words just do not come out right, but enjoy the footage anyway. Everybody, welcome to Blue Hand Review. Today, we got a remote controlled, RC controlled helicopter. It's basically a drone if you kind of look at it here. Basically a drone in the drone style. It's by Syma. They had the drone that I did the review on. Check it out on my channel and give it a look, like it, share it, and all that good stuff. So we had the controller and the helicopter itself. And here's the box, the TF-100 Heli-Fury 360. And of course it's got a helicopter body on it. Flip it around here, it's got some information, I know, there it is. Information, it's got a 1-button takeoff and landing, has altitude hold, and it has a guard around the propellers to keep it from damage, obviously. So let's give it a try. Go ahead and get this little doohickey turned down. And we're on. Got to get everything synchronized before we can fly it. And there we go. Now we've got the 1-button takeoff and landing. There it goes. There it goes, drift a little bit. Of course we're gonna land. Of course we're gonna land. What else would we do? But right out of the box, folks, I haven't trimmed it up. I haven't got it from drifting from one side or the other side, or front and back. This is just straight out of the box, and this is what you can expect. I think somebody 10 years old could probably start learning on something like this and maybe move up to the drone that I did a review on. But it's pretty simple, folks. It's rugged, it can survive that crash no problem. And thanks for looking in. Now, what I want to tell you is be sure and subscribe to the channel. Because we've got the drone, we've got the helicopter, and we're going to do a boat. So we're going to get out on some water around here. There's lots of water. And we're going to check this boat out. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun, folks. So subscribe to the channel. Ring the notification bell. And it'll tell you when this gets put up. You can check it out. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lot of fun. So thanks for looking in, folks. We'll catch you later.